Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to share another delicious fried rice recipe using the most popular ingredient in Balinese cuisine, Suna Cekuh. Suna is garlic and Cekuh is Kaempferia Galanga. It's called Nasi Goreng Suna Cekuh. So, let's get started. First, let me introduce you to all the ingredients. Here I have Kaempferia Galanga, which is in Indonesia is called kencur and in Bali is called cekuh. Later, I also use tomato as a condiment, some spring onion. I made earlier pickles, some prawn crackers, egg, white peppercorn, salt, oil, cornstarch, mushroom boyong powder, white peppercorn, sweet soy sauce, Indonesian one, garlic, Kaempferia Galanga or kencur, tiny turmeric, some chilies, and of course rice, and some chicken thigh. So let's make it. First, I'm going to grind the garlic, Kaempferia Galanga, and turmeric. You always can use blender, but I prefer to use mortar and pestle. Grind it until it's smooth paste. I'm going to add white peppercorn and half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Next, I'm going to put a pinch of salt and white pepper to the chicken. Mix well. Let's put it aside. Slice thinly the spring onion. Next, let's break 2 eggs. Pinch of salt. Wicks. So let's put it aside. So all our ingredient is prepared now. So let's start cook them. First, I'm going to turn on the cooker, medium. Add vegetable oil. The oil is hot enough. Let's add the yellow paste. Cook around 2 minutes, but don't let it burn. Let's put it aside first and add the chicken. So here I'm using chicken thigh. If you would like to use the chicken breast, it's absolutely fine. Add the spring onion and add the rice and the yellow paste that we cooked just now. Mix well. Add the half tablespoon of salt, mushroom boyong powder, sweet soy sauce, ketchup manis. Add the egg. So, the nasi goreng is done. I'm going to put it aside and prepare the egg. So now, let's fry the egg. I'm going to break the egg first, gently. Add a little bit of oil. Add the egg. Next, I'm going to prepare the chili with sweet soy sauce. This is going to be one of the condiment. Slice the chili thinly. And next, I'm going to prepare tomato as a garnish. So now, let's shape the rice. And I made some chicken satay earlier. So I'm going to add 3 chicken satay here. Some cucumber and carrot pickle or achar. Chili with sweet soy sauce. Ooh, my mouth start watering. So yummy. The egg. And some brown crackers. Actually, lots of brown crackers. Some bread salad. So here we are, Nasi Goreng Suna Cekuh. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I opening my cooking class in Bali. If you come to Bali and would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And again, thank you so much for all your support. Matur Suksma and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.